Still making pumpkin chapatis? Let me show you another way to use that same pumpkin. Look at this soft, fluffy, golden pumpkin donut. Look at the texture. If your donuts ever turned out dense or too oily, you are not alone. Today we are turning this pumpkin into perfectly soft and airy donut using simple ingredients you already have at home. Let's get started. Here in my bowl I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. I have pumpkin puree, 1 cup. I've already shown you how to make this in my previous video. I'm adding sugar into my flour, a little cinnamon for flavor, and I'm using instant yeast, just adding 1 sachet, then mix everything together. All the ingredients and the exact measurements are listed in the description box. Check on it. Add pumpkin puree. Ensure all of it goes to the flour. Crack an egg and go in with your melted margarine or butter if you have. Then vanilla essence. Add warm milk gradually, don't add all at once, bearing in mind that the pumpkin already gives moisture plus the eggs. Mix everything together to form a soft dough. You also need some extra flour to adjust if your dough is still sticky. Just adjust until you have the right consistency and just add it gradually so that you don't end up with a firm dough here, not unless you like dense donut. And you're not making that today. Your dough should be soft and a little bit sticky, so don't add too much flour. Transfer your dough into a floured flat surface and give it a good knead. Thanks for stopping by and welcome back to Sabby's Delics. If you are coming across my video for the first time, feel most welcome, and if you find this kind of content useful, kindly consider subscribing, and for more amazing recipe like this, press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to like and comment. Watch the video up to the end. Thank you. Knead the dough thoroughly for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's super smooth and elastic. Once done, transfer your dough into a greased bowl and cover it and let it rise until it's double in size. And this is what gives our donut a light texture. This is first rise. Once the dough has double in size, we are going to shape it. Now I'm just going to give it a light punch to release the air bubble and transfer it into a floured surface. We're just going to roll it out and shape it. Roll out your dough gently. Don't press it too hard. You want to keep the air inside. Don't roll it too thin. We are making a pillowy donut here. I'm going to cut it into a round shape using this cookie cutter. And this is the size I'm going for. Once you've shaped the donut, place each and every donut into a greased paper or parchment paper, and this will help when you're transferring to the oil when you want to fry, so that you don't touch it with your hands and it gets deflated. Then cover it and let it rise for the second time until puffy and airy. This step makes all the difference between the dense and the fluffy donut, so don't skip it. And these are ready for frying. It's been about 20 minutes. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Next step, we're going to fry our donut. Gently drop each donut in your oil and let it fry in a medium heat oil until golden brown on both sides. not too hot oil and not too much heat, so that they cook through and stay soft inside. Pumpkin donuts brown so fast, so just be careful, don't remove it while it's not yet done. Once done, remove from the hot oil and transfer on a plate with paper towel to drain the excess oil. And you're going to continue with the same process until your donuts are all done. And look at that. They are nicely brown and perfectly airy. You can tell with that line you see there in the donut. If your donuts have been turning out dense, now you know how exactly what to do. And the best thing, you can make this right at home with a simple ingredient. Look at that. Soft, fluffy, and perfectly airy. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sabby's Delics. And tell me in the comments, are you team chapati or team donuts? Anyway, they are all delicious. Did I tell you delicious?